Hey, this is Joe here, Best Trailers. I'm gonna show you this Maxx D trailer we just got in. This is the LDX 25-foot equipment trailer. It's got the gooseneck. You got a big heavy-duty engineered beam gooseneck on here. Your adjustable coupler, that's all standard stuff. You got dual jacks, drop leg jacks here on the front. A lot of the cheaper ones will do one jack. We like to do two jacks on everything. You've also got a winch plate up here up front, so you can mount a winch to it if you want, as well as a toolbox between the gooseneck there. You've got treated 2x8 wood floors, full length of the trailer. The dovetail is a self-cleaning dovetail. Got your standard step there on the side, rub rails and D-rings. LED lights going the full length of the trailer. You can see we got several LED lights going down it, as well as a midship turn light. These trailers come with the 10,000 pounds, 12,000 pounds, or 15,000 pound axles. So we get in a 23.5 GVW, 25.9 GVW, or the 30 or 40,000 pound GVWs. We get you set up at whatever size weight rating you need. This one's got the 12,000 pound Dexter axles underneath it. Heavy duty suspension. We've got the Maxx ramps here on the back. Like I said, big 3-foot wide flip up ramps. They got the spring assist on them, so it doesn't take much to pick them up, flip them over. Now, when you've got a 25-foot trailer, that is 20 foot on the flat and a 5-foot dovetail. That's very important when ordering your trailer. If you tell us you want a 25-foot trailer, you're going to get a 5-foot dovetail with 20 foot of flat, or you're going to get a 25-foot all-flat trailer if you want all flat. You got to make sure you include that dovetail on there and they're linked properly. Come see us today. We're in Byron, Georgia, 478-654-5350.